That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon wore such a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare. What that hazy, crazy night we met, when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Ah, this heart of mine, a beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. And we were dancing cheek to cheek when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up a golden blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember when you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward steps were just as light as the dancing feet of a stair. And like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley. That night in Berkeley, that night in Berkeley.